Hi everyone, my name is Tamar. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, it's Tamar. And today I'm unboxing. I got something for Christmas. It's called the Oculus. I got the newest one. It's the Quest 2. And I have not opened it yet. I was super excited and I was like, I want to do an unboxing on this. This is the games that they have on there and this is what the box looks like. It's super clean. So let's just open it. I already took the clear wrapping off, so all I do is have to slide this right out. I'm excited, y'all, because I'm about to use this as soon as I open it. So this is what it looks like. You got this cool little O on it. Look like a racetrack. So you open it like this. Ooh, look at that. Up here, it has 1, 2, 3. So it shows you how to put it on. Hook the hand things up. You click the on button for the headset and you place it on your head. It smells brand new. So it comes with a little box in here. I just slid that out from right here. I really don't want to rip nothing. How do you take this off? Oh, super easy. This must be like a handbook. So it comes with a little 2 handbooks you can read. If something goes wrong, make sure you keep that. The way they package this, it looks almost like iPhone. This is made by Facebook, which I did not know that. Because it says it right here, from Facebook in the corner. I'm like, look at Facebook, trying to just make everything, huh? So it comes with this, a charging box, that's what I call it. And a charger, comes with a nice charger. So you ain't gotta buy none of this, it already comes with it. And that's what comes in this little box. So if you don't have this in there, you need to call them back and say, hey, I don't got my charger or my charging box in there. Here is the headset. And it comes with this little glassware. This will go on to here. So if you have glasses, they have that for you so it can space out your glasses. And your glasses is not like just pressed against this. Comes with this. So this is the comfort material so it won't hurt your face. It is a Quest 2 silicone cover. And you put that on here. They package everything really nice. So this is the thing. They have the glasses covered. All of this stuff should be packaged up really nicely. It looks beautiful. And then this is the sensors for your hands. So you can have your hands in there. It tells you left and right. And you also have this. You have to pull this out in order to use it. And this is for you to put your wrist in. If you accidentally let go, it won't fall and break. Yeah, and I like that it tells you left and right, like it have it on the side right there. And it all comes in this beautiful box, and that's all you need. You can buy all your games on there. Do what you need to do. I think it comes with a whole bunch of games too. They have games included. But if you want like different ones, you'll have to buy those. And you also can use Facebook on here. So you can like message your friends on here. You can watch movies. And you can go on a virtual reality like world with them. So if you know someone else that has this game set, and they can also get on play games with you, and they also can go into a virtual reality world with you. And you can just search Facebook on there and message people on there. So I think that's really cool. And you can also get on YouTube. They have like their own like YouTube virtual reality on there, where it's like kind of like Wii, but like made up characters, but it's YouTube. So it's cool. So what is included in this box altogether, so you guys can know? It is a VR headset. So that's the big headset right there. It's a silicone cover for the facial interface. That's that black cover I showed you. They have 2 touch controllers. It also includes 2 AA batteries in here. It has a power adapter. It has a glasses spacer and a charging cable. So those are all the things that is included in here. And it says you must have a Facebook account required to use this. So if you don't have a Facebook account and you want this, you have to make one. And it also requires a wireless internet access. Of course, it says smartphone required to run the Oculus app. Free to download and set up device. So to download the app that's on here is free, but you do need internet, like so Wi-Fi. In order to play those games, go virtual reality and do all the things, you need Wi-Fi. And it also has 256 gigabytes, so that's a lot. So I have the highest gigabytes, and that's 256 gigabytes. Or they have 128 gigabytes. So if you want the most space and storage on yours, get the 256 gigabytes. It's only, I think, $100 extra. So this is what I got as my Christmas gift. So I will be using this. I'll be watching some movies on here, and I will be exercising, because you can exercise, you can do boxing, yoga. You can you can pay for anything that you want, and it's really like you're in a different world. So I highly recommend you guys getting this. Super cool. If you just want to know what comes with it, these are all the things that come with it, and you have to download the app. Alright, so thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, comment down below telling me what videos you want to see. Please subscribe to this channel. I really appreciate it. And I hope you have a good one, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.